I'll be talking on Airtable automations, and Airtable automation describes an automation as essentially when this happens, do this automatically. You get? So it consists of a trigger and one or more actions. There is a trigger, then one or more actions. You can send a message to Gmail, Slack, whatever it is. So the hook for today is that still sending the same follow-up messages manually. So today we go to automations. This is a small table that I created. These are demo. This email does not exist, and this name too is not real life customer. So it's for the purpose of this tutorial, and we want to set automation based on the status here. So we go to automation. So we are creating automation. So the first thing you do here is a trigger. And what trigger are we taking? When a record matches what? A condition. So which table are we? You search for table, which is table 1. That's customers. Table is table 1. Then we add the condition. What is the condition? When customer contains the status contains when customer status, you select option is new. So can you see that when customer's status is new, what do we do? This is the condition, and we choose the record. So either Sarah or David. So we choose this and look at the results. It has been reviewed. So the result is what? Successful. It runs in the distance. So that's why if you review the results, this is what you will see. It was successful. So we add another action, and what does that mean? We are going to send a Gmail. Send a message. So the number 1 trigger is that when a record matches the condition. So if the status is new, what do we do? So you will now do what? Add. We'll come here, we send a mail. What will be the description of the mail? Let's say follow up. Follow up. So you select the Gmail account. So I have already connected my account to Gmail. So who are we sending it to? We are sending it to who? The customer. Then we'll go to the table that we have created. We have the customer and also we choose the email. Do you get? So what will be the subject of the email? We choose the customer name. Then we'll come here. We'll write the customer name. Then that will take it. Sorry. The subject will be of this should be follow up. Okay. Then we'll come here and we'll say, hi Sarah, thanks hi Sarah, thanks for reaching out. We will we will be in touch shortly. Okay, sign management. So we have seen it. Let's see, is our subject correct? So let's try to run the test and see whether it's going to go. So this is the message we are going to send to Sarah. Hi Sarah, thanks for reaching out. We'll be in touch shortly. Sign management. So you can see that we have created this. So you can come here and on your what? Automation. So if this is a real workspace, you have already what? Set up. So if this was not correct, you will see it will not run successfully. Do you get it? It will mark bad here, but because both the trigger and the actions were successful, that's why it's marked the two good. So this